Hey guys, it's Kenzi. Today is a hair video, but this angle is like weird, so maybe it'll switch because like I don't know, something about this angle is like just not giving. Anyways, my hair is a nappy mess. It was 56 degrees outside and it was raining today, so my hair, like, I don't know, it got all frizzy and weird because it did not look like this before. I've worn my hair out long enough. It's time to put it back into something, but I really want to wear the little hair clippies I got. So start that whole process, I'm going to moisturize and condition my hair first, because I feel like when I get in the shower I should actually shampoo my hair and deep condition instead of just do my regular co-wash. So let's do that. So I'm going to be taking my spray bottle and then my oil concoction that I always use in all my videos. I think I've been using this for maybe like a year now, and so I'm going to take that, and then I'm going to take my Aussie Moist conditioner. Fun fact, I don't think I've used the shampoo I bought that's the same size. I don't think I've used that more than 2 times. Don't judge my hairbrush because I need to clean it. But then I'm going to take my hairbrush. Oh, you can't even really for real see it, but there's a lot of hair in there. So it's time to get started. I'm gonna go in the shower, rinse this off, shampoo my hair, deep condition my hair, and then come back and, you know, start the party again and start twisting my hair. However, I may have to go outside to the bathroom so then I can have 2 mirrors. I have the big mirror and then I have my little mirror so I can make sure my parts are straight. Honestly, that seems like doing a lot, but if I have to do it, I'll do it, I guess. So it's about 3:30 in the morning, and I started at 10:30 something. So 5 hours, that's a good time. And I'm actually glad I did it tonight, because instead I would have been waking up 5 hours from now and spending my day doing that. Shout out to the twist staying long. The only thing I don't like is like how the top looks. Like I don't like how the top looks. Now I can make my turmeric milk, because I mean, even though it's 3 o'clock in the morning, I might as well make it. I need something savory, something sweet. I was originally gonna blow dry my hair, but I'm glad I didn't. While I make my turmeric milk, I can fill up my Brita, I guess. I should have put my little cup in my refrigerator so it could be cold right now and I could be drinking cold water, but now I just have like room temperature cold water, which is fine, I guess, but that's not what I want to. When it comes to natural hair, protective styles, babe, like protective styles any types of way. You got a high bun, put some twist in it. You got a low bun, put some twist in it. You got 2 side buns, put some twist in it. You want to do mini braids, you want to do mini twists, you want to do twists with weave, you want to do braids with weave, you want to wear a wig, you want to do some cornrows, you want to do that. You can do all types of stuff. You know, you already know you can do all types of stuff, but at the end of the day, babe, protective style. Because how y'all saw my hair before I got started, I only wore my hair out for a week. That's it, a week. And then I put it back up because it was doing that all the time, not me. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video where I am unboxing something snazzy. Bye.